Sleepy yun. Sleepy na yan.
Hello, sound check. Mic test.
Duhara di dibutan. Rabbit telepon.
Tara na, nasa babaw. Ayun o. Ayun. Naglupad sila. Wow, tanawa ate. Wow! 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 White eagle ate. It's a Philippine eagle. Sa din na. Wow!
Now, Sanguineurs have a golden plumage from its head down to its underparts and have green wings. They are natives to the northeastern parts of South America, like Brazil. Our coupled Sanguineurs name, Ding and Dong.
Wow!
Now, Sanguineurs, they are monogamous type of bird, meaning they can only have one partner for a lifetime. Sana all. But when their partner dies, that's the only time that they will find another.
Wow!
Now, this kind of behavior. One more time. Last one. Now see how talented parrots are. They can mimic sound so well because their brains are super smart. Just like how humans use their voices. So a round of applause to our mimicking birds here named Lani and Rudy, and also to their men. Now, Tugan, they're one of the largest and the best known toucan species in the world. Now, as you can see, it has a white throat and a black body that helps them camouflage in the rainforest. Now, when toucans travel, they don't fly in long distances like other birds. As we welcome our eastern Grasshound Bella.
Guapa!
Now, eastern grasshound, they are nocturnal type of bird, meaning most of their hunting time is during the nighttime. Now, just like any other owls, they have a flexible neck. They can rotate their heads up to 270 degrees. It is possible because this bird has a 14 neck vertebrae, allowing them to spot a prey and be aware of its surroundings without moving its whole body. They are natives to the northeastern parts of South America, Asia, and Brazil. So a round of applause to our eastern grasshound named Bella. Shadow.
Oh!
Argus.
Oh, tara Inday!
crested sea eagle, or king of the coast. It has a white plumage from its head down to its underparts, and its wings and back are dark gray in color. Now this bird, it can grow up to
Na. Lucky bo na gid siya nga feeding time.